Okay, so I hope I write the question correctly because the picture was kind of blurry. So f of x equals square root of x minus 2 and g of x is negative x. That's how I am seeing it. Okay. Now, if you let's first write the domain of f, right? Domain of f means because it's a radical, so it has to be x minus 2 bigger than equal to 0, which means x bigger than equal to 2, and that's the same as 2 to infinity, right? As an interval. But this one is a linear function. So g is a linear function, and domain of a linear function is always real, like that. And then if you're computing the domain of g, that's just going to be intersection of these two. It's going to be intersection of this guy and this guy. So to find the intersection, the best way is just put both intervals on the line. So 2 is here. So 2 to infinity means here, but the other one is all real numbers, right? All of them. And then you find overlap, right? So the blue and the red colors are overlapping here, starting from 2. So therefore, this will be 2 to infinity. That is the domain. So it'll be from 2 to infinity, assuming that I write the functions correctly in the beginning, right? And same thing for f minus g, and same thing for f times g. But when you do f over g, right? Let's do f over g. So f over g might be, you might have an extra condition because you're dividing, right? F is square root of x minus 2, and then the g is, let's say, this, right? And we already know that this is x bigger than equal to 2. But because of the bottom here, you can say x should not equal to 0, right? Okay, now I'm doing the same exact thing. So 2 is here. So x bigger than 2 is right here, but the 0 is right here. But 0 is already not part of 2 to the infinity, so then we don't need to worry about it. So then the domain of this one is also 2 to the infinity. So basically, domain of all of this function will just be from 2 to infinity. Okay, and the rest, the other part is just an algebra. Either you're adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. So that's it.